Now, enrollment. Enrollment is a process when you buy a course and start learning. How to enroll to our website? So in order to enroll in our website, you have to buy a course. Before you buy a course, you have to go and check all the list of courses available in our website. You can choose either to buy the courses as a package, which we call it curriculum. Is a combination of all courses in a single package with some discount, or you can go to the all courses menu and check all individual courses. You can buy a physics grade 12, for example, or a physics grade 11, whatever course you want, a single. So whether you want to buy a single or a packaged course, there is some process that you have to pass through. So let's start with a single course purchase. Now, if you get the course which says free, you can just go ahead and enjoy learning the course. But if that course has got some price tag, like for example, in the case of physics grade 9, you have to click read more button where it takes you the front page, and then you'll see in the buy course menu. So what you have to do is after you check out the courses, you click the buy now button. When you click the buy now button, the system usually asks you to log in or create an account in order to purchase this course. So if you have already created your account by the process I've showed you earlier, by registering to this site and remember your phone number or your email along with your password, you can simply click login button right here. So when you clock in, it is going to open up a login dialog box where it gives you both a phone number option and an email option. If you have created your account with your phone number, click the phone number and type your phone number right here. But if you created your account with your email, click your email and then type your email on the email or username box and the password along with the password box. And for example, I have already created this account earlier, so I'm not going to create it new, but I will simply log in. So I have also another account here, so I can just type my username and password and log in. If it is your second time, your computer might help you saving your account earlier, so you can simply choose and then click login. When you click login, the system is going to open up and takes you the my accounts page. Now it says login successful, and now I am on my accounts page. In my accounts page, you can get the list, but now it took me to the physics grade 9 page because I started from grade 9. I am going to buy. So when it says buy now there is no option which says login or register because I'm already logged in. How do I know I'm logged in? Go and check it. You can see here, hello. For example, my test account is Baroque, so it says hello Baroque. So that means I am logged in. Now click buy now button. When you click a buy now button, it gives you two options. The first option is pay with Chapa and manual pay, manual bank transfer. What are the different payment systems? Chapa is a company, a financial company in Ethiopia, which operates by taking some commission, but that commission is paid by Freedom Learning. So learners do not have to pay whatever for them, but you have to simply click and pay the exact amount which you are requested. We are not going to pay any extra. Whatever is extra is paid by the company. So the only thing you have to do is select among the payment wallets or systems given here, electronic payment system, whether it's Teleber or CBBer or M-Pesa or Kacha, or if you have like banks like whatever bank you have get in this section, you can buy. And the only thing you are requested is to get your phone number and type here. So for example, if I want to buy this course, I will simply write my phone number and then I will say pay. When I say pay, now it sends message to my mobile phone number and where it asks me to put my password, my Teleber password. When I put my Teleber password, it says you have paid is successful, and then my course will be automatically available. This is possible any time of the day, whether it is at midnight or in the morning or any time of the day. So we don't need any human to see and approve our course. Instead, the computer itself will approve and we automatically enroll to the course and start learning. So this is how we enroll with a package. And also the same thing with enrolling to an individual course. So for that, you have to go to all courses and find out the course you would like to buy. And when you get a single course, you have to buy it. The same thing for the package. For example, you go to secondary package and you, let's say you want to buy a course from grade 10 and then you click enroll now. It exactly takes you to the same place where you would like to pay either with Chapa or manual. So you click it and then it gives you option whether to pay with Chapa or manual bank transfer. Now I already showed you how to pay with Chapa, and then with manual bank transfer, you click on the manual bank transfer. Immediately it takes you the option to pay manually. Manually means you have to transfer with your mobile wallet, or you go to the bank and deposit the money and bring that deposit transaction number and follow this instruction and go to select the bank you have paid, whether you paid it for commercial bank or Awash. One of the banks will be included here, and write the name of the person who buys the course, and finally you put that number from your bank receipt, and finally you click complete payment. As soon as you hit the complete payment, our associates from backend will approve your course and you start automatically. But if you pay it manually, it probably takes you a little time because team members should be always there. If you buy manually at midnight, you may need to stay until in the morning. But if you pay with Chapa, you can automatically and instantly get and start your course. So when you want to go back to the original page, click this. That is our logo. That will bring the end of this section. Now we'll see you on the next section.